Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you are here with me today. Before we start today's lesson, remember this. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about practicing a little every day. Even if you understand just a small part, you are improving. There's no need to feel nervous or afraid of mistakes. Just listen carefully, relax, and enjoy learning. This is Speako Talko English, where English is simple, slow, and easy to understand. My name is Emma. I am 31 years old. I live in a quiet rural town where roads are narrow and people know each other well. Every morning, I wake up before daylight. The air is cold, and the streets are silent. I walk to a small bakery where I work. My day starts before most people open their eyes. I work hard from morning until evening. I prepare dough, clean tools, and watch the oven carefully. My hands feel tired. My legs ache. Sometimes my body feels exhausted even before the day ends. Still, I keep working because this job is my only support. I don't hate my work, but many days I feel unseen. I do the same tasks again and again, and it feels like my effort does not change my life. At the end of every month, my money is gone. No matter how much I work, I never have savings. I do not buy luxury things. I do not waste money. I live a simple life. Still, I cannot save even a small amount. I have one simple dream. I want to buy a small used car. Not something expensive. Just a simple car so I don't have to walk long distances or depend on others. But this dream always feels far away. When I return home in the evening, my clothes smell of bread. My feet feel heavy. Sometimes the road is muddy after rain. Sometimes dust covers everything. I see other people in my town. They are not rich, but they manage their lives better. Some have motorbikes. Some have old cars. I don't feel jealous. I feel confused. I often ask myself, why is my life not improving? My house is very small. One room, a tiny kitchen, and a small yard. When I receive my salary, I already know where it will go. Rent, food, gas, old bills. After counting everything, nothing remains. Many nights, while working early in the morning, I think deeply about my life. Whenever I try to save money, something breaks. Shoes tear. Appliances stop working. Expenses grow. It feels like life always moves faster than me. I believed money problems only happened to careless people. But I was careful and still nothing changed. That thought scared me. It made me feel trapped. One morning, while delivering bread, I heard a woman talking nearby. She said she saves 1% of everything she earns. She said it helps her understand her money better. At first, I laughed inside. 1% sounded too small. I thought, how can this tiny amount help? A few days later, I met her again. She told me, try it for 1 month. Save first, not what is left. That morning, before starting work, I made a quiet decision. I placed one small coin into a jar behind the stove. It felt silly. I almost took it back later. But I didn't. Every day, I added one small coin. The jar filled slowly. But something else changed faster, my thinking. Each time I saved, I noticed how I spent money. Small snacks. Unnecessary items. Food waste. I saw things I never noticed before. At work, I became more careful. Less waste. Better focus. Not for my boss, for myself. I started writing my expenses in an old notebook. It wasn't perfect. Pages were messy. But writing helped me see the truth. And the truth gave me control. Weeks passed. I felt calmer. Stronger. My boss noticed my dedication. One day he gave me a small raise. This time I didn't rush to spend it. I kept saving. Slowly, my debts disappeared. My confidence grew. I asked my boss for more responsibility. I started doing deliveries using a cart. I told him I was saving for a car. Months later, the jar became heavy. When I counted the money, my hands shook. It was enough for a down payment. That day, I understood something important. I was no longer waiting for luck. I was building my future. The car was old, but it was mine. When I parked it outside my house, I smiled. Not because of the car, but because I had changed. Today, my life is not perfect. I still work hard. I still plan carefully. But now, I feel in control. Saving 1% did not change my money first. It changed my mind. If you feel stuck in life, don't wait for big miracles. Start with one small step. The change you need may already be in your hands. Ending same motivational tone, no change in style. Thank you for listening. Keep learning. Keep growing. And I'll see you in the next lesson.